Hello. Despite some upward direction seen midweek, oil, gas and electricity contracts closed lower compared to last Friday. So let's take a look at the week's actions in some more detail. Prices rose early on Monday morning as investors expected steeper sanctions against Russia. However, President Trump announced a 50-day deadline, which pressured prices lower in the afternoon. Oil continued to ease throughout Tuesday as the 50-day deadline eased any immediate supply concerns. Front-month Brent lost $1.39 per barrel day on day. Despite a 3.9 million barrel draw on US commercial crude inventories, front-month Brent slid again on Wednesday to lose almost $1 per barrel. Prices rose on Thursday with global supply concerns pressuring prices. Drone attacks on several oil fields in Kurdistan have reduced Iraq's production by almost 200,000 barrels per day. Last night, front-month Brent closed at $68.98 per barrel, which is down $1.21 per barrel compared to last Friday. Most contracts fell on Monday with healthy supply fundamentals as Norwegian imports rose day on day. Gas tracked the downward direction of oil on Tuesday, although market participants awaited new sanctions that President Trump plans to impose from the 1st of August. The majority of curve contracts found support on Wednesday. A short system and an unplanned outage pressured prompt prices higher, which in turn directed the curve. Wednesday's gains were eroded throughout Thursday and all contracts closed lower. Last night, most curve contracts closed lower compared to last Friday. Winter 25 closed at 93.65 pence per therm, which is down 2.85 pence per therm. Power prices were mixed on Monday with near-term contracts tracking gas lower, whilst longer-dated contracts were supported by higher carbon. Contracts eased on Tuesday, tracking the wider commodities downwards. High demand amid the heatwave across Europe provided a floor to the losses. Prices then rose on Wednesday with wind generation forecast to be 20% below the seasonal norm. Curve contracts fell on Thursday, taking direction from bearish gas. So last night, all contracts closed lower compared to last Friday. Winter 25 closed at £86.5 per megawatt hour, which is down £0.1 per megawatt hour. You can download the full version of this market report from our website. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next week.